Everybody, Miss Mackenzie here over at Action Karate in Newtown. We are going over our first section for mass attacks. Mass attacks is our kata for our advanced degree curriculum. Really cool kata. You're gonna want to know how to read a clock in this kata. Because that's a lot of how we're gonna show you what direction you will be. Okay, so make sure you have that down, that you have your 12 o'clock, your 6 o'clock. Okay, now I'm not mirroring, so my 3 o'clock is over here, right? Okay, my 9 o'clock is over there. No, your 1 o'clock, your 11 o'clock, your 5 o'clock, your 7 o'clock. Things you're gonna want to remember, okay? All right, so as always, when we start our kata, we will do our salutation. I know a lot of people struggle with the salutation. Just pay attention, we'll go through it nice and slow. I'm gonna back up so you can see my feet. All right, we're gonna start in our natural stance, and attention. And remember, I am not mirroring, okay? I'll say my right versus my left. All right, we're gonna bring up our right hand, make a nice tight fist in front of your chest and say action kata. Take your left hand, smack the back of that fist, mass attacks. All right, so our salutation, we're gonna take our right foot right here. You're gonna step forward, turning our toes to your 3 o'clock. From here, you take your right fist over top your shoulder, your left hand like you're reading a book, all right? So fingertips up, tips up. You're gonna cover that fist. From here, you can take your left foot, step forward on the ball of your foot. Your right hand is now gonna go forward, still that fist, but now your left hand is on top, okay? All right, now we're gonna step back left again, all the way back, and we're gonna start to turn our arms and step back right foot with our next to our left foot, knees bent, hands chambered, and that's your salutation. So again, natural stance, attention, action kata, mass attacks. You start with your chamber. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so from here, both arms are gonna go straight out at a 45-degree angle. We're gonna do 2 outside crescent kicks. Your right foot, and then your left foot. Tension stance, and bow. And that is the bowing for mass attacks. All right, our first technique is called folding wings. Many of you should know folding wings. This is a technique that we do in class. Okay, so you have 2 attackers. All right, one on this side, one on the other side. We're gonna start with this side. So we're gonna take our right foot and we're gonna step. I like to step at my 5 o'clock so I can do my chop. My left hand, as always, you keep up for cover, okay? So again, step and strike. Look to your left shoulder, you have another attacker here. From here, you're gonna take your right foot, you're gonna step to about that 11 o'clock position, and you're going to rake the eyes. Okay, as you turn, I'm gonna take my left leg, and it's going to be in a soft bow as I do a palm with my left hand, my right hand's over top my head. I'll do it in the other direction. Okay, so I just bowed, move 1, step forward, that right foot's gonna go to about your 11 o'clock position. You're gonna rake the eyes, and then bring that arm over top your head as you do a soft bow, left palm. From here, you're gonna take that left foot, you're gonna step all the way back. Now we're facing that 45-degree angle, okay? All right, so remember we started in this position, so now we're starting this position. Okay, that's our 5 o'clock. So as you turn, okay, so let's do that again. 1, 2, left foot comes all the way back. You're gonna take your right foot into a cat stance. You're gonna do an inward block. Okay? I'll do that again, facing the other way. I think it's a little easier for you guys, okay? Right chops. Step forward that right foot at 11 o'clock. Rake the eyes. Palm, keep this hand overhead. Left leg goes all the way back as you do that inward block. Cat stance with that front foot. All right, we're facing that 45-degree angle now, okay? We're gonna do a chicken kick. Continue towards that 45-degree angle. This chicken kick's a little different. You're gonna start with your front foot, there, and you're gonna land forward as you do a right outward block, left inward block. Okay, that is our first section. So I'll do it again facing the other way. We'll start with our salutation. Natural stance, attention, action kata, mass attacks. Now remember, you're on that 45-degree angle now, okay? I'll do it one more time facing the camera. Attention. Action kata. Mass attacks. All right, that is your first section for mass attacks.